Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change the language on Facebook app. So for here you can just open the Facebook app on this Android device. So here you can just click the top right corner of three dots line of settings, and here you can just click on the scroll down, you can more, and you will just click to more options, see more. So from see more you can see the language section, so you will have to just click to the language section, and here the device language is English, but you can change it. You can just change in there are many languages. I will just, for teaching you, I will just applying on African languages. So you will see the all the settings and the writings are in African languages. So I will just go back and I will just change my language from African to English. So here you can change how to change the language on Facebook. This video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.